What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This episode we're going to be focusing on the rear quarter panel and then doing a little bit of prep work for the hood and the bumper. I want to do small parts this episode because I want to test out my paint gun and see how the paint lays down and everything. So just a little bit of prep work, but mostly the quarter panel. So let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to paint. So I got the floors wet. And then, so the dust doesn't kick up when you're painting because you don't want those imperfections in the paint. And then this is the paint that I got, it's custom mix from Napa. And then I got sealer for the front bumper because the plastic tends to breathe, so you don't want those bubbling up, so you just get a sealer so it doesn't let it breathe. Then we got some reducer, and then some hardener, and then paint. Some sticks, measuring cups. I got a mask, got a brand new paint gun. I'll show you guys that in a second, but yeah, I'm gonna start doing just the back quarter panel first, just to test out the paint and how it is, and then we'll move on to the front and sanding that down and then moving along with that. So this is the gun that I bought. It's a low pressure, high paint or whatever it stands for. And the pressure gauge, and then the filter, and the actual gun, and then I have the tank up here. That's the compressor. That's the compressor I'm going to be using. I'm going to keep it outside, so like I said, so when it works, it doesn't kick up any dust. I'm trying my best to keep the dust down. So yeah, let's see how all that goes. Alright guys, so I got the sealer in here and the car's already prepped for paint and masked it all off. So let's start spraying down the sealer and then wait a few minutes and then get ready for paint. Alright guys, so I cleaned out the gun and then let's load some paint in here and then spray down the paint and then we'll be done. going to be a wrap for today. This is the end product of what we did. Painted it, you know. I didn't paint the bumper because it's getting replaced. Obviously, I'm getting an M3 bumper. I like how it turned out overall. Just a little few defects, but that'll get off after polishing it and stuff. Alright guys, so like, comment, subscribe, you know, ring that bell stay tuned for next episodes, and see you guys later.